Hi guys, welcome back. We are going to learn there is, there are. Use there is and there are. El día de hoy, chicos, vamos a aprender el uso de there is y there are. ¿Qué significa the verb haber? En singular, there is affirmative. We use the article a o am. In singular, some uncountable nouns, any, and negative of questions. There is affirmative. There is a table in the kitchen. Hay una mesa en la cocina. There is an apple in the fridge. Hay una manzana en la nevera. There is some cheese on the plate. Hay algo de queso en el plato. En negative, there is. There is not or there isn't. There is not a verb on the tree. There isn't a verb on the tree. Or another example, there is not or there isn't. There is not any coffee in the kitchen. There isn't any coffee in the kitchen. Cualquiera de las dos formas, chicos, podemos indicarlo en negativo, En questions, there is. Is there any coffee in the kitchen? ¿Hay algo de café en la cocina? Yes, there is en affirmative. No, there isn't en negative. Plural. There are affirmative. Some, a lot of, or a few. There are. Some count nouns. A lot of, a few is the same. We use count nouns. Lo usamos para los sustantivos contables. There are affirmative. There are some birds on the tree. Hay algunas aves en el árbol. There are some birds on the tree. Next, there are a lot of boxes in the basement. Hay muchas cajas en el sótano. There are en negative. There are not. There aren't. Cualquiera de las dos formas en negativo. There aren't any boxes in the basement. No hay ni una caja en el sótano. Are there any boxes in the basement? ¿Hay algunas cajas en el sótano? Yes, there are. An affirmative. O en negative, no, there aren't. Ok, chicos, espero que les haya gustado el video del día de hoy. Recordemos practicar en casa. Goodbye, guys. See you next class.